Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to streamline your sales process and close more deals efficiently, Salesforce is a powerful tool for sales management. Today, we'll walk through how to use Salesforce to manage leads, track sales, and improve team performance. Let's get started. 1. Managing leads and contacts. Salesforce allows you to track and organize potential customers in the leads section. Capture new leads from forms, emails, and integrations. Qualify leads and convert them into contacts and opportunities for follow-ups. Use automated workflows to assign leads to the right sales reps. Track 2. Tracking deals with opportunities. In the Opportunities tab, you can monitor deals at different stages. Assign a deal value and expected close date. Track progress through customizable sales pipelines. Get real-time updates on deal status to focus on high-priority opportunities. 3. Automating tasks and follow-ups. Salesforce helps automate routine tasks like sending follow-up emails, scheduling reminders for client calls, updating records automatically when deals progress. 4. Generating reports and sales forecasts. Salesforce's reports and dashboards provide deep insights into sales performance. Track key metrics like revenue, conversion rates, and team productivity. Forecast future sales trends to make data-driven decisions. Customize reports to visualize pipeline health and bottlenecks. 5. Enhancing collaboration with sales teams. With Chatter, Salesforce's built-in communication tool, teams can share updates and collaborate on deals. Discuss strategies in real time. Keep all sales-related conversations in one place. 6. Integrating with other tools. Salesforce integrates with email, marketing automation, and customer support tools to create a seamless workflow. Connect it with apps like Outlook, Slack, and Zapier to maximize efficiency. Salesforce simplifies sales management by giving you full visibility into your pipeline and automating key tasks. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business tips. See you in the next one.